Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Library at Home, RBdigital and Acorn TV. My name is Jennifer from the Lucy Robbins Wells Library. Today, we will learn how to access two of our popular digital services right from home. We will cover how to use RBdigital and Acorn TV to get countless forms of free entertainment, such as eBooks, audiobooks, and some of the best British television out there. The handout will be provided on our website. If you have any questions, reach out to us through phone or email. These will be provided at the end of the presentation. Without further ado, let's get into Digital Library at Home, RBdigital and Acorn TV. What is RBdigital? RBdigital is a downloadable service offered by the Newington Library in the state of Connecticut. The RBdigital collection offers hundreds of ebooks and thousands of audiobooks for your enjoyment that may be downloaded to a variety of computers and devices. A valid Connecticut Public Library card number is required. The RBdigital app allows users to quickly access materials right then and there. So how do we go about downloading the app? The RBdigital app is compatible with Apple and Android devices, as well as some Amazon Fire tablets. To start, go to your device's App Store and search for RBdigital. That would be Google Play Store for Android devices, the App Store for Apple devices, and the Amazon App Store for Kindle Fire devices. Once found, follow the instructions to download and install the free app onto your device. The app allows you to easily access ebooks, audiobooks, and digital magazines from the library's RBdigital collection. Now that we've got the app, let's look at creating an account. Once the app is downloaded, and if you are a first-time user, you must first create an account. You can do this through the app or through the website. If you are using the app, open the app on your device and tap on Register Now, found just below the Login button, as seen here. Follow the prompts to fill out the form and create an account. You will need to know your library card number to complete the registration process. You will also be creating a username and a password. Once all the white boxes are filled in by your information, click on Register. Now that we have an account and we are logged in, let's look at navigating the app. Once you are signed in, the home page will appear. You can scroll down to browse ebooks and audiobooks and digital magazines, or select the magnifying glass on the right to search for specific titles. Tap the three lines at the top left of the screen to view your reading history, items on hold, setting adjustments, and more. There are other things you can do around the app. First, you can look at checked out items. Checkouts include current titles and services with expiration dates. Next is My Account. My Account manages your account histories as well as settings. Wishlist includes your personal bookshelf for saved audiobook and ebook titles. You can check out an item, put a title on hold, or remove something from your wish list. Holds include audiobooks and ebooks that you have on hold. When a title becomes available, it will check out automatically and an email notification will be sent to your account email. You can hold your place in line if you are not ready for an item by tapping on the title cover to review the title and then select Hold Place in Line. Next, History includes all your prior checkouts for all titles and services. Here, you can also check out an item again or put it on hold. Searching. You can use the search icon located at the top right to type in a specific title or author. Tap on a book cover for more information about the title. After covering searching, let's look at borrowing. Once you have found the title you would like to check out, tap on Checkout to borrow the item. New Econ patrons are allowed 2 ebook checkouts at once and 2 audiobook checkouts at once. However, e-magazine checkouts are unlimited. If an item is unavailable, you may place it on hold or add it to your wish list. To download any items, you will need wireless access or a data plan with your mobile service provider to download your checked out items. However, once the item has been downloaded directly to your device, you can then access the item without any internet connection required. Now that we've borrowed an item, let's look at how to read it. You can view all your borrowed items in the Checkout section of the menu bar in the app. For eBooks, tap on the cover to initiate the download. If the book does not automatically download, tap on the Download button. Then, tap on Read. It is similar when listening to your audiobook. For audiobooks, tap on the cover to initiate the download. If the audiobook does not automatically download, tap the Download button as well. Then, tap on Play. If you are unhappy with an item or are finished reading or listening to an item early, you can return it. Borrowed items are automatically returned upon the due date. However, if you wish to return your item before the due date, navigate to the title and then tap on Return. If you need more time, there is the option to renew. The borrowing period for an ebook or audiobook is 14 days. If you require more time, you may renew the item. To renew an item, navigate to the title and hit Renew. Items may be renewed near the end of your checkout period, but they cannot be renewed if on hold by another patron. So that was an introduction to the RBdigital app. Let's look at what you have to do if you wish to use RBdigital on a computer. Using RBdigital on a computer or a laptop is a bit more involved. You must have Adobe Digital Editions software as well as an Adobe account in order to read ebooks and play audiobooks on a computer. We will discuss how to set up Adobe Digital Editions and how to get an Adobe ID later. First, we need to make sure that you have an RBdigital account. Through the Lucy Robbins Wells Library portal, seen here through this website link, click on Register at the top right-hand corner. After clicking Register, a new screen appears. Fill in all of the boxes under Login Information by creating a unique username and password. Fill in all personal information under Your Information. Now, click Register to continue. Now that we have created an account with RBdigital on your computer, let's look at what you have to do to read or listen to an item on your laptop. To read ebooks on your computer, you must download Adobe Digital Editions. You can find the download link here as seen. Locate your platform, whether it is a Windows or a Mac computer, and click on it to download the installer. Then, run the installer on your computer to install Adobe Digital Editions. In addition, you must also sign up for an Adobe ID from the website seen down below. It is true that there are a lot of steps here, which is why I recommend that you use a smartphone or a tablet to utilize RBdigital whenever possible. Listening to an audiobook on your computer is a bit different as well. To listen to audiobooks on your computer, you must download RBdigital Media Manager from the website seen here. Again, because additional software must be downloaded to listen to an audiobook on your computer, it is strongly recommended that you use a smartphone or a tablet to listen to audiobooks when possible. Let's talk about what you will see when you use the RBdigital website on your desktop. Once registered, you are now ready to check out items through RBdigital. When on a computer, after logging in, begin browsing books or open the menu bar by clicking on the three lines. The menu bar allows you to navigate to audiobooks, eBooks, checked out materials, wishlist, holds, and history. Use the menu bar to browse or use the search icon located at the top right to type in a specific title or author. You can also click on View by Genre or open a list of suggested topics by clicking on View All. When you find a title to enjoy, click on the cover to find out more information about it. Click Checkout to borrow the item. You will also find the return option here if you decide to return an item before the due date. You may borrow 2 audiobook checkouts at once and 2 ebook checkouts at once. If an item is unavailable, you may place it on hold or add it to your wish list. Click Download to download your ebook and open the file using Adobe Digital Editions to read. Otherwise, click Download to download your audiobook and open the file using RBdigital Media Manager to listen. To transfer an ebook to eReader, connect the device to your computer. Open Adobe Digital Editions, and once the device is detected, drag your borrowed item to your eReader icon. Unplug the device and then enjoy. For tablets and smartphones that can download the RBdigital app, it is much easier to download the app to the device and then log in. Download the books to the app and then enjoy as well. To transfer an audiobook to a portable media device, such as an MP3 player, start by connecting the device to your computer. Open RBdigital Media Manager and click on Transfer. You will receive a message when the transfer is complete. Note that not all items can be transferred to a personal device and are indicated as so by the protected lock icon. So that was an introduction to RBdigital. Let's now take a look at Acorn TV. What is Acorn TV? Acorn TV streams world-class mysteries, dramas, and comedies from Britain and beyond. This includes a full slate of original and exclusive programming. With thousands of hours of commercial-free programming and new shows added weekly, there is always something to watch. By checking out an Acorn TV pass through RBdigital, you have unlimited access to all Acorn TV series and episodes for 7 days. After 7 days, you can easily check out another pass to resume viewing your content. This is a streaming digital media service that is available for all Newington Library cardholders, in which you can watch through the mobile app or online through your web browser. Let's look at accessing Acorn TV. Access Acorn TV from the RBdigital menu under Entertainment. Go to the Acorn TV link in the menu to browse the content offered. Before you can start watching, you must check out a pass. Once you are in the Acorn TV catalog, tap on a series for a more detailed summary, and then tap Checkout to then check out a 7-day access pass. This pass allows you to watch any series in Acorn TV, not just the one you selected right then. Acorn TV will open in your desktop or mobile browser. A 7-day access pass is then confirmed. Tap Access twice to then create your Acorn TV account. Let's talk about creating an account for Acorn TV. When checking out a pass for the first time, you will be asked to create an account for Acorn TV so that you can use it on their app on multiple devices. I would advise that you use the same username and password for Acorn TV as you do for RBdigital, just to make things a bit easier as they are so intertwined. Let's explore Acorn TV. Once Acorn TV loads, tap Access Acorn TV to get to the home page. There, you can search for a series, browse the content, and take a look at your recently watched list. Once you find an episode to watch, select that episode and tap play to enjoy. Acorn TV will remember where you left off in the middle of an episode, as well as the last episode that you have finished, so no bookmarks are required. It will also remember from pass to pass. While you can certainly browse and watch all Acorn TV content through your browser, you can also use the Acorn TV app on all streaming devices, such as a Roku or an Amazon Fire Stick. In the device's channel store or app store, search for the free Acorn TV app. Install the app to your device and open it up. Once the app loads, sign in with your Acorn TV username and password that you created when you first checked out your pass. Do not select the option to subscribe, as checking out the pass means that there is never a charge for this library service. And that's it. Hopefully, this has provided you with a good introduction to RBdigital and Acorn TV. Again, the handout is provided on our website for you to download and save. If you have any questions, please reach out to us through phone at 860-665-8700 or through our email as seen here. I'm Jennifer, and thank you for watching our Digital Library at Home RBdigital and Acorn TV program presented by the Lucy Robbins Wells Library. Thank you, and see you next time.